Local rebel forces are preparing to attack Colonel Graum's munitions depot. You'll patrol the area in preparation for the attack, and keep the depot safe. Graum is a fool, but his assets belong to the Empire, therefore they belong to us. During your patrol, Titan III will secretly search the station, its freighters, and cargo shuttles for Baradium. This explosive material will be a valuable tool against the Starhawk. Tag the Baradium, and LT-514 will retrieve it remotely. While Graum is kept busy by the rebel attack, escort the Baradium to the Overseer for safekeeping. According to the Colonel, these 3 towers hold large munition stockpiles and will be the rebels' priority targets. It's a powder keg. If we lose the towers, we lose the depot, and the Overseer will be defenseless. Remember, as long as repairs are still underway, we can't afford to engage the Republic. Secure the Baradium, halt the rebel assault, and then we can leave the Remetic system. You're on your own, Titan Squadron. Let's do this right.
Captain Carroll has assigned you a TIE Interceptor. This machine is built to cut down enemy fighters, and that's what you do best. Hoped you'd pick that.
Titan Squadron to patrol the area in preparation of the enemy attack.
Good. My munitions depot is as valuable as it is volatile. I expect you to defend it with your lives.
Titan Squadron, split up and patrol the depot. Find the Baradium before any rebels arrive.
Copy, Gray. Titan 3, follow me.
Which I know you do.
Resources out there. Research, weapons, medical. sign of the rebels yet. Grom has several ships in the area. Target and scan them to locate the Baradium. Titan 3, split up and find it. Scanning freighter. Titan 3, do the same. No Baradium. Any luck? That freighter doesn't have Baradium, but I'm detecting concussion missiles, heavy ion cannons, and plasma bombs as well.
Think of what we could have accomplished at Endor with these supplies.
Come on, Titan 3. Got a plan. During the Jabez incursion, our forces used Baradium, moved it with Zeta-class cargo shuttles. If Grom has Baradium, he might be doing the same. We used Baradium strikes to drive the rebels out of hiding at Jabez. But it didn't flush the rebels out. It incinerated them. Squadron, regroup.
Forming up on your position.
Secure the Baradium during the enemy raid.
We're ready for them.
Titan, we have rebel forces emerging from hyperspace.
Right on time.
What happened to my sound? Random VR things. Target.
Titan, defend Tower 3 with your lives.
I've been quiet repairs.
I'd say you owe me one.
Good shot.
Blasted rebels.
More enemy fighters.
Just VR stuff, I guess.
Enemies are moving on Tower 3.
You've got a tail.
might blow up, but that's okay. Let's try that again. Because I got shot up, trying to fix the sound.
Titan, we have rebel forces emerging from hyperspace.
Right on time.
Rebel bombers are targeting the control towers.
I'm on your wing.
Kill those bombers, Titan.
Remember, if they destroy the towers, we lose the depot.
The overseer will be overrun. Oh, boss. Tower 1 has been targeted.
Great work.
Join your position.
Welcome back.
Not ideal.
More enemy fighters.
Lucky I was here.
Titan, defend Tower 3 with your lives. Titan, rebel ships are targeting Tower 2.
Wait for me to reload. Enemies behind you. Very nice. In formation and ready.
No more bombers detected. That was close. Rebel fighters coming out of hyperspace. Is that a corvette? Focus fire on the rebel corvette.
And kill its bomber escort.
Strike this target.
Rebels heading for Tower 2.
Taking enemy fire. Watch behind. Enemies closing. Take down the corvette.
Tower 3 has been targeted.
Almost done, it's almost done.
Don't test me.
Corvette destroyed.
Damage is severe.
Thank me later. I'm on your wing.
They're going for Tower 1.
Strike this target.
Under fire.
Target destroyed.
I'm in position. Let me reload. Took a hit.
Is that all the bombers? Now what?
I'm with you.
Rebels are on the run.
They'll be back. With friends.
Let them. We'll send them fleeing again.
Titan Squadron. LT-514 will remote pilot the cargo ships to the Overseer. cargo shuttles to the Overseer. Graham won't notice a thing while he's under siege. We're with you.
Focus on the Meridian. We'll take care of one shuttle group.
Titan 3 and I will handle the other.
No slowing you, is there? Be careful next time.
You exemplify Imperial superiority. Defend my target.
I'm in formation.
Cargo shuttles are en route but vulnerable. Move to assist.
I'm on your wing.
And the Slash.
Annihilate that target.
Enemies down. I'm here. Let's go.
Strike this target.
Let's cover a
Fire
shuttle.
on it, fire on it.
Annihilate that target.
Fire on it. What you guys?
That'll do it.
Attack my mark. Strike this target.
Radium shuttle taking heavy fire.
Shuttle needs us.
Annihilate their A-wings.
I'll break you all myself.
Attack my mark. Destroyed.
I'm in position.
A lot of fireball.
Radium shuttle is exposed. Blasted them. The Meridium is ours, and Graham is none the wiser. We have everything we need to annihilate the rebel base, their Starhawk, and Lyndon James. Enemies incoming.
They've sent in a frigate. Destroy it immediately. Shen, take point with ion bombs. We'll follow your lead.
I'll bring down their shields.
Titan 3, you'll focus on the turrets after the frigate's shields go down. Frigate shields are down.
That frigate will tear us apart.
Then we take out its turrets first. Focus fire on its turbo lasers.
They've locked on. Marvelous.
They have a lock. Finish up the frigate.
I'm under attack.
above you, Colonel Growl. I have everything I came for. Cut communications with this imbecile.
You'll regret this, Captain. I promise you that.